2022 has brought us so many product releases, and honestly, this list was really hard to make. But today, we're going to be discussing the top curly and natural hair products of 2022. Let's go.
You are now watching The Curl Papi.
What's up, YouTube? ¿Qué lo que? My name is Christian Ramos, and I'm the one, the only, the Curl Papi. My name is Christian. I create curly hair content, and if you like curly hair content, which I know you do because you clicked on this video, please press subscribe. If you're a returning viewer and subscriber, was good. So like I mentioned, this list was super hard to come down and just find like the best in each and every category, because honestly, there's so many products that I love. You already see I have a beauty supply behind me, and then I have so much other stuff in my bathroom and in boxes that I've tried and loved. But here we are. So let's start off with my favorite Cowash. My favorite Cowash is from Camille Rose, and this is the Coconut Water Curl Wash. No, wait, I said that all wrong. This is the Coconut Water Cowash. If you watch my entire curly hair routine video, you know that I do not, I repeat, I do not go straight in and cleanse my hair. I need to go in with a conditioner. And recently this year, I started using co-washes. And my favorite co-wash is the Camille Rose Coconut Water Curl Wash. This co-wash is 8 ounces for $11.49. It has a creamy, slippery texture, has a light tropical coconut scent, and it allows your hair to easily be detangled and prepped for cleansing. This product is a little harder to find by Camille Rose, but you can definitely find it at CamilleRose.com and Ulta.com. Now on to shampoo and cleanser, and that is going to be by Gisou, and this is the honey infused hair wash. This bad boy is 11.1 ounces, and it is, wait, I don't even want to say it because I want to like throw up. It is $37. Okay, listen, I know, $37 for a shampoo. You can find so many great shampoos out there on the market that are way cheaper, but let me just say this. Number one, when it comes to shampoos and cleansers, it's a hit or miss because either it's very stripping on your hair, it's either too creamy, doesn't lather enough, and there's just so much that can go wrong with shampoos. This one in particular is very, very, very hydrating on the hair. It doesn't strip your hair. It leaves your hair feeling super soft, and even to the point where you can detangle it while you have the shampoo in your hair. This shampoo has great lather, and the scent is phenomenal. This product can be found at Gisou.com and Sephora.com. And listen, I can't tell you how to spend your money, but for me, the $37 is worth it. Honestly, don't click off. Please don't click off. We have more products. Let's continue. When it comes to conditioner, my favorite has to go to Mielle Organics, and this is the Oats and Honey Soothing Conditioner. For 8 ounces, this is $10, and you can never go wrong with Mielle products, unless we talk about the Rice Water Collection. But anyway, this conditioner brings moisture back into your hair after cleansing and leaves your hair and scalp feeling smooth and pampered. Honestly, I wish this conditioner came in a bigger size, because look, we're gonna go through this quickly. I have about this much of this product left, and I wish that this product came in a bigger size because my hair just loves it. It gobbles and swallows it up, and the scent, amazing. And this, listen, this conditioner, you can't go wrong. I love it. Honestly, it's truly one of the best. This conditioner can only be found at MielleOrganics.com. Listen, and Mielle Organics always has some amazing poppin' sales. So make sure you sign up to their email, because listen, they are not the type of company that emails you all the time. Trust me, sign up for that email because you don't want to miss out when they have some poppin' sales. Now onto my favorite part of wash day and my favorite products to talk about: hair masks. This bad boy literally just came out, and I have a video on my channel talking about my top 5 hair masks, and I'm feeling like I need to redo that video, because when I tell you that the Camille Rose Rosemary Oil 5-minute strengthening hair mask is the bomb. I literally cannot tell you guys how amazing this hair mask is. It literally just came out. I actually have a video on my channel. I'll link it right above. Listen, I'm gonna be linking a lot of stuff because I've reviewed a lot of products this year alone. But I literally just received these products about a few weeks ago, and I've been using it consistently because listen, I love to make sure before I promote anything on my channel that if it works for me, it's gonna work for you guys, and you guys are gonna love it because I'm all about integrity. But listen, this hair mask, number one, for 8.5 ounces is $10. You cannot go wrong with a $10 hair mask. I reviewed on my channel the most expensive hair mask, and that was like $130. No, it was $230. And this one right here, $10. Brand new, just came out. Amazing, amazing, amazing. This mask left my hair so soft that honestly, there's nothing like this in the game right now. You have to get your hands on this mask. Right now, you can only find this hair mask at CamilleRose.com, but I'm hoping and praying that this mask will be available in other retailers, because if I have to wait for shipping, I don't like waiting on shipping. I'm super impatient. I want my product right here now. As soon as I purchase it, I want them to be knocking on my door like, here you go, Christian. But honestly, listen, love, 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 love. Cannot speak any more highly of this hair mask. You just need to try it to believe it. I love it. I love it so much. The next thing we're going to talk about is leave-in conditioners. And this, listen, was extremely hard because I was able to try out the new Oshawa Beauty Hair Milk leave-in conditioner this year, and it actually won me over. Like, I loved it, loved it, loved it. But the number one leave-in that I always go to and never fails, I always have to have this stocked up in my collection. Whenever I go traveling, I have to take this this leave-in with me. Like, it is honestly thebomb.com. It is one of the best leave-ins I have ever tried. And that is the Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Avocado leave-in. Baby, this leave-in, when I tell you I always have to have this leave-in stocked in my collection, number one, it is lightweight. It leaves your curls juicy, defined, bouncy. Like literally, the best results of hair days for me is when I use this leave-in conditioner. Shiny, smells amazing, bouncy, juicy, definition. You're gonna get it all with this leave-in conditioner. For 6 ounces, it's $24. It's sold at Sephora.com and Briogeo.com. So when it comes to styling products, remember, leave-in is not, I don't consider a leave-in a styling product, even though you can leave it in as a styling product, but we're gonna talk about more generally specific styling products. I have 3 of them because they're all each very different. Number 1 is going to be by Bread Beauty Supply, and that is their hair cream. So this is the only product in here from this list that I have not reviewed on my channel as of yet. But when I say that she is thick and creamy, baby, she is thick and creamy. It does not leave a crazy cast. Your curls are gonna be super soft and defined. And the smell, if you tried any of Bread's products before, it smells like straight up Fruit Loops. Straight up Fruit Loops. The smell, you just want to gobble it up. And let me just say that your curls are going to gobble up this hair cream. For 8.4 ounces, let me just look at the price because I don't remember. For 8.4 ounces, it is $28. Yes, listen, don't click off. I know she's pricey, but it is definitely worth it because the best hair results that I've had in this last year have come from this product. Listen, honestly, love, 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 love. This product is sold at breadbeautysupply.com and Sephora.com. It's Black owned. It's part of the Clean at Sephora collection. You can't go wrong with this hair cream. The next styling product we are going to be talking about is my holy grail styling product, and that is the Curl Maker by Camille Rose. If you know, you know. And if you don't know, you need to hurry up and find out, because this bad boy is that product. Listen, give me a minute. I just need to because if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I vouch for the Curl Maker. This bad boy is the holy grail of all of my styling products. For 12 ounces, this is $22. Listen, a little goes a long way, and I will forever keep this bad boy stocked in my collection. Look, right now this is about to finish, but trust and believe, I have 2 more waiting to take its place, because this is a product that once it finishes, I need to re-up and consistently have this in my collection. The definition you get from using the Curl Maker, I'm sure you guys have heard of the Curl Maker, because if you haven't, I don't know where you live, because so many people love and vouch for the Curl Maker. And shout out to Camille Rose, because listen, this list was hard to make and 2 of their products made it into the list, so shout out to you guys. But honestly, listen, Curl Maker, get it, get it, get it. So I recently started getting into mousses this last, I want to say 6 months. And when I say that the Miche Curl Defining Mousse is that girl, it will have your hair looking poppin'. Love, 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 love. Honestly, I need to make a full product review of me using all of the Miche products, because that's one of the product lines I have not put on my channel, and I honestly truly love using their products. But this bad boy right here, the mousse, I don't know why I've never used mousse before. Well, honestly, I do know why I've never used mousse before, because mousses tend to have a lot of alcohol. This bad boy though, freaking amazing. It does not dry out your hair, leaves your hair super defined, does not dry with a hard cast. Literally, you will have soft, pillowy curls. And listen, look at this. You see these curls right now? Look at this. I'm gonna come in close so y'all can see all of this. This is what I'm using today. This product has been my go-to the last few weeks, because look, the results speak for themselves, baby. The results speak for themselves. For 7.5 ounces, this is $20. And if you want to try out any of the Miche products, I do have a discount code, baby. So if you want to try out any of the Miche products, go to michebeauty.com and use the code at checkout, CurlPapi10, for 10% off on your purchase. The last product category I want to talk about is hair oils. Now listen, if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I don't really mess with oil. I do not like my hair feeling oily and weighed down, but there are times where I do make an exception, and that is when I'm using my black tea rinses. I'm gonna link that video right up above. And my go-to oil that I love to use is going to be by Mielle Organics, and that is the Rosemary Mint Hair Oil. I have put so many people onto this oil. Number one, my sister uses it. One of my best friends, when she had her child, you know, a lot of women go through postpartum hair loss. Listen, that oil helps her edges grow back. And listen, you know, once you lose your edges, they're gone. And if that oil can help anyone grow back their edges, that is a poppin' oil, okay? And literally, that oil, you can find it anywhere. It's 2.5 ounces, and it's about $10 if I'm not mistaken. And literally, you can find that Walgreens, CVS, Target, literally everywhere, and especially at mielleorganics.com. Listen, let me know down in the comments below if you agree with my top curly and natural hair products of 2022. Let me know if there's ones that I missed out on that you think should have made the cuts. Let me know down below what you think is worthy. But honestly, listen, I know we got about a month left to the year before the year is over, but listen, I've had nothing but time to try out a bunch of products. Listen, shout out to all the brands that have sent me products this year in PR. I am grateful. Thank you, Lord. Hallelujah. So I know what I'm talking about. So trust me. When have I ever failed? Yeah, I have not let chat down so far. So trust my list. But let me know down below in the comments what you really want me to try out on my channel, because again, there's so many brands. There's but so much brands out there that I could be like, oh my God, I know every single brand that's out there. I don't. I'm only one person. So let me know down below in the comments what products you want me to try out. Also, please like, comment, and subscribe to this video channel, all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram at thecurlpapi, because you already know I'll be posting some fleeky pics out here. And until next time, guys, bye.